Hello viewers, today I am going to discuss the intestines, both of the intestines. So first we look into both the intestine and look for the differences. On viewing these, both of these, we see this intestine has these structures which are not present in this intestine, see, right? So what are these structures? These are nothing but appendices epiploicae, right? So appendices epiploicae, they are the peculiar features of large intestine. So what are they? As we are seeing, they appear as a fat, right? So they are nothing but fat-filled peritoneal bags, right? Which are present only in the large intestine and they are not present in small intestine, see, right? So other features is we have ostrations in the large intestine and not in the small intestine, right? So what are these ostrations? See, these ostrations or circulation. See this, then this, then this, then this, right? This, right? So what are these ostrations? Ostrations actually they are caused by nothing but tinea coli. Now what are tinea coli? Tinea coli are nothing but longitudinal muscle fold. I will show you. I have dissected them. I have dissected the posterolateral group. Wait, I will show you. I have dissected it. See this one, right? So this is the posterolateral group, posteromedial group of the tinea coli, right? So we have different positions of the tinea coli. Tinea coli are nothing but longitudinal muscle bands which are present in the whole of the large intestine and they are absent here in small intestine, and these bands they give it appearance of the ostration. These are actually elastic like, so they are present at variable distances, right? So whenever elastic is present at variable distance in a cloth, so it gives appearance of a circulations or to the cloth also. So this is the reason why ostrations are present in large intestine and not in the small intestine. So now let's discuss more about this tinea, which I already discussed in our theory class also. So what are tinea? How many tinea are there? So in all the parts of this large intestine, like ascending colon, cecum ascending colon, descending colon and sigmoid colon, they have three tinea. One is anterior, which is called tinea libera. One is posteromedial, which I have shown you people, posteromedial in location, which is called tinea mesocolica, and we have posterolateral, which is called tinea omentalis, right? So these are present in all the part of the intestine except for transverse colon. So in the transverse colon, these tinea, they are present at the inferior, posterior and superior positions respectively, right? So these are the different tinea. So we have discussed the differences between small and large intestine, right? On viewing these structures grossly, right? Now come to the small intestine. So we know that small intestine has three parts, duodenum, jejunum, ileum, right? So I need not to discuss here why small intestine is small. It's not because it is smaller in length, it's because it has a small caliber than this large intestine, right? So this is because of their diameter, it's not because of length, right? So and because of large surface area, of course, right? This is called large intestine and this is small intestine. So now let's discuss this part. So this intestine is easy to distinguish as we have a pyloric part cut over here. If this is the pyloric part, obviously this one is the jejunum, duodenum, jejunum, and then finally the end terminal part, which is called the ileum part, right? But if we don't have this part, right, how to differentiate? I have dissected these parts. Let's compare. This is the terminal part I have shown, this is the proximal part. Now see for the vasa recta and windows. Vasa recta, arterial arcades. As we know that in the ileum we have a larger number of arterial arcades, 3 to 4. See, starting from here we have 3 to 4 layers of arterial arcades, right? So vasa recta, they are this much in size, right? We have smaller vasa recta in case of ileum. Now compared to the same portion here, see, we have 1 to 2 arterial arcades. See, 1 to 2 arterial arcades, right? And we have longer vasa recta. See, starting from here we have so long vasa recta. See, right? So this is jejunal part, where we have only 1 to 2 layers of these arterial arcades and the longer vasa recta. Here we have shorter vasa recta and 3 to 4 layers of the arterial arcades, right? Now I also cut across this section. I've cut the lumen of this part. See, what is this? These are the plica circularis, right? Plica circularis are the permanent muscular folds which are present in the lumen. I have cut across this lumen of the small intestine. This is the ileal part. So they are sparsely placed, right? Now I will show you the vasa recta of this part, jejunum. See here, jejunal part. See, we have valves of Kerckring, right? Valves of these muscular fold. These are permanent. These are circular muscular folds. Circular hai na bachche? These are circular muscular folds, mucosal folds, circular, but these are permanent. They are not deranged by the position or distensibility of these intestines. So these are placed very sparsely, while here they are at a distant part. See, when we compare both of them, here we see they are sparsely present, here they are at a distance, right? Less sparse in the ileal part here than the jejunal part, right? Now I will show the appendix and cecum also. So see, this is appendix, right? So this is cecum. So starting from here we have ascending colon. Differences I already discussed. So thank you very much, students. Have a nice time.